Hello, welcome back to the Off-Grid family. In a previous video I talked about how I'm trying to get my workshop set up so that it's a bit more accessible for me, and in doing so I want to do a few things, a few aesthetic changes and a few changes that are needed. One of which is my desk. It looks awful and I would like to make it look nice, so I'm going to fill the holes, sand it and give it a paint. When I first started building in my workshop, I bought some blue shelving, and I decided, I worked out how many more I could fit in here, and I bought the rest. And this is the type of shelving I bought, and it's not cheap, but it's not expensive, and they are pretty damn good actually. Very robust, very versatile, and so I've set them up all around the room, and it just means I've got much more horizontal space rather than what I had, which was a small amount of shelving. That said, I need to have somewhere to hang my tools, the ones I use most commonly, and I did have a set of hanging racks with the pegboard holes, etc. And I'm going to use them again, but the ones I had were very bulky, like the way it was set up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually connect them to all of the shelves, so they open like doors. Okay, so we'll go to the desk and we'll sort that out right now. Let's get on.
Right, so I thought it's about time I sort this desk out and a few other things in my workshop. So I've taken everything off the top, and what I'm going to do now is fill in all the holes that I recklessly filled it with, sand it all down and give it a slap of paint. I need to cut a few bits off as well because I'm changing the shape slightly, but that'll be done off screen. Right, so I've butchered that end completely, and that end too. It looks awful, but it doesn't matter. Now I'm going to fill all these holes in and give it a sand. Okay, so that's the start of making this look a little bit more professional. What do we need to do next? Okay, and here is the new desk. You'll be seeing it from a very different angle, which is this. And hopefully that'll make it look a little bit more professional. But I also have loads of new shelving, so I will show you that next because I'm going to be working on all of that now. So this is our little review space from now on, or, you know, projects we're working on. Anyway, on with the shelves. Right, these are the swinging pegboards I used to have, and the sort of bar they used to connect onto is far too big for the purpose I've got. I want to actually hang it from the actual shelving units that I've put up, so I'm going to come up with a bracket system that I can use to basically hold it on the shelves like this, and then it basically closes like a door on the shelf, and then we can have all the tools down this side like this. Whee! And then go to the shelves. Hello, what's in here? These are some brackets I bought, and I rounded off the edges so razor sharp. By the way, please excuse my fingers. I've been doing some wood staining and it went absolutely everywhere. Anyway, so this is basically how they'll go, with the holes like this. And these bits are going to connect to the actual shelving. I'm also thinking about a locking device to lock them to the shelving so they don't just swing open on their own. Right, this is the pegboards. I have just clamped these in place at the moment, and I'm going to have them so that they lock closed. I'm going to actually pop rivet these in so they're there forever then, and I'm going to have one either side, so this side opens in, this side opens in, and then we'll lock to the actual shelving. Okay, so there you go. Hopefully I can get a little bit more done in this now. Now I've got room to organise my things. I would like boxes for specific projects I'm working on, so as I get the bits and pieces I need. Because it does take me a long time to save up enough money for these projects, but over time I fill them up with the bits I need, and then I can pull the box out and I've got everything I need there. But I hope that helped you guys. I hope you enjoyed the sort of the journey I'm going on, and if you did, leave comments, likes and subscribe, etc. Thank you so much. I'll see you again next week. Bye for now.